Hi there, this is Victoria from CrushCrypto.com. For this video, I will be reviewing an upcoming ICO project called PolicyPal Network. As always, we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just our personal opinion and analysis for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment decisions. PolicyPal Network is a non-regulated insurance platform. It is being developed with the vision of providing the unbanked access to insurance protection by lowering the barriers that are associated with traditional insurance coverage. With the use of blockchain technology, PolicyPal hopes to increase universal access to insurance while providing secure, transparent, faster, and more varied services. While PolicyPal operates within Singapore, the network will operate outside of Singapore, targeting emerging markets. PolicyPal has a couple of general product lines they are planning to launch. Crypto Protect is a cybersecurity service in partnership with insurers to protect cryptocurrency assets. The service will be underwritten by AA-rated global insurers and will protect the assets of blockchain startups in the initial launch. P2P mutual aid will enable PolicyPal to provide a low barrier to entry and proportional insurance coverage for communities that don't otherwise have access to insurance coverage. Services will include agriculture, property, life insurance, and personal accident plans. The team has been spending the last few months engaging in talks with partners on the service in countries such as Indonesia and Thailand. This diagram shows how PolicyPal Network works in a nutshell. With the use of blockchain technology, the advantages of their network include 24/7 availability, real-time transactions, transparent information, automated validation, audit trail and full transaction histories, and improved efficiency. They plan on reducing insurance fraud and automating claims with the use of smart contracts and reliable third-party data. PolicyPal Network has a growing list of partnerships with global insurance companies. PolicyPal helps extract and utilize their clients' data to build APIs and obtain instant quotations and product information for different customer coverage profiles. PolicyPal is a registered insurance broker in Singapore and have worked with numerous insurance companies. The company has been established for 12 months with 32,000 users in Singapore. In April 2016, PolicyPal was selected by Startup Bootcamp FinTech Singapore as one of the top 10 startups to be accelerated out of 400 startups that applied across Asia Pacific. In July 2017, PolicyPal was selected as one of the 3 startups selected by PayPal for their 9-month incubation program based in Singapore. This slide summarizes the project's development roadmap for 2018. By the third quarter of this year, the team hopes to launch the beta release of their network with proof of stake. PolicyPal Network will be raising funds by issuing PYPL tokens. The hard cap is just under 24,000 Ether, and the conversion rate is 1 Ether for 21,000 tokens. The fully diluted market cap will be $44 million, assuming an Ether price of $925. The main token sale will be launched sometime in March. Specific details will be provided by the team later on. This chart shows how the total supply of tokens will be distributed. 50% of the tokens will be allocated to the token sale. And this chart shows the intended use of proceeds. Half of the funds will be used for R&D, while the remainder will be used for marketing, expansion, partnerships, and various expenses. For the most up-to-date information on their ICO, please visit their website and join their Telegram group. As PolicyPal Network will have its own blockchain that is a fork of Ethereum, PYPL tokens will be used as gas price for the blockchain. In the first 2 years, the gas fees collected in these tokens will go towards the incentive for PolicyPal Network blockchain pool. From the 3rd year onwards, the tokens collected will be burnt, which will limit the supply of tokens. The PolicyPal Network blockchain will utilize proof of stake as their consensus mechanism. This means token holders will need to complete crowdsourcing tasks to ensure their active contribution on the network. As PYPL tokens will be used as gas for the PolicyPal blockchain, the more usage the platform has, the more valuable the tokens should be. From the 3rd year onwards, the burning of tokens will also help increase value as well. There are a few ways to earn PYPL tokens on the PolicyPal Network platform as summarized on this slide. Users can earn tokens by purchasing insurance policies, participating in surveys and referral programs, and so on. PolicyPal Network is based in Singapore with a team of 14 people. The biographies of the key team members are summarized on this slide. Val Yap, the CEO of PolicyPal, was a recipient of Forbes 30 Under 30 award. Her most recent experience was as Assistant VP of OCBC Bank, where she launched several campaigns. Lucas Chua, the CSO, has over 8 years of experience in marketing and strategy, with his most recent experience at IBM Asia Pacific, where he worked with more than 2,000 startups in Asia. And also, he was mentoring at the Singapore Management University and various top fintech accelerators in Asia. The team also has a number of advisors, including the CEO of Trov, a former Aviva Chief Digital Officer, a Managing Director of Accenture, the co-founder of Digix Global, and a founding partner of Venbushi Capital. PolicyPal is invested by 500 startups, startup bootcamp fintech, and angel investors from PE firms and family offices. On to some of the opportunities. First, the team has a lot of good connections in the Asian insurance industry and has proven their capability and innovation in this space. They have already established numerous partnerships with large global insurers. With a highly relevant track record under their belt, we believe the team can grow PolicyPal Network into a successful blockchain-based platform in the long run. Security is a huge concern for both individuals and institutions in the cryptocurrency space. Crypto Protect is an insurance product that directly targets this problem and should have quick adoption, as its target users are those that are already familiar with cryptocurrencies. The penetration rate for insurance is still quite low for Southeast Asia compared to other regions around the world. This chart shows the insurance penetration rates for various Asian countries. As you can see, many are under 4%. With PolicyPal Network's offerings, the Unbanked will have a much easier time signing up for insurance products, and the potential is substantial. And finally, the team has been very active in promoting and raising awareness for their project. They have a large Telegram group and recently completed a speaking tour in Asia. As for our concerns, with any project that is developing their own blockchain, the development timeline is uncertain, with delays being quite common. The release of the PolicyPal blockchain on the Ethereum mainnet is currently scheduled for the third quarter of this year, but it is possible this could be delayed. And finally, although PolicyPal is an operating company, the network itself does not have an alpha or prototype yet. Whether the company is able to replicate its success to the blockchain and provide the unbanked access to insurance protection in the long run still remains in question. Overall, from an investment perspective, we have a positive view on this ICO for flipping. The idea, team, development progress, token metrics, and market awareness are all above average. With only 6,000 Ether worth of tokens to be sold during its upcoming crowd sale, we believe there will be unmet demand for the tokens. We would not be surprised to see an uptake shortly after the tokens have listed. For long-term holding, we also have a positive view. The team has a successful track record in the Asian insurance industry and is looking to replicate their success with PolicyPal Network. They already have the connections and the network to expand beyond Singapore, and we believe they have a good shot to be successful. The Asian insurance industry is growing rapidly, and the upside potential is substantial. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Twitter and Facebook to get our latest updates. We publish new content on various blockchain projects and cryptocurrencies on a regular basis. Hope you have a great day and keep crushing it!